Okay, I am getting ready for bed. I had to come up those stairs, the very steep stairs in Castle at Cawood. Yes, we're at Cawood Castle, by the way, in case you hadn't noticed. And I look like a pack horse because I have to bring all my stuff up in my backpack. So I've got everything I'll need for tonight and tomorrow on my back, with the exception of my Kleenex. My cold has not gone away. Anyways, what have we done today? Today we left the Hilton, we went to Clifford's Tower, we wandered through Fairfax House, and then we went to Phoenix. I got some shoes. And then we left Phoenix, went to the bank, did some banking, went to Betty's, got some fondant fancies and some curd tarts. Yes, curd tarts. Very excited. And then we went to a few other shops. And then we went and picked up the car, and then we went to pick up the luggage that we left at the Hilton. And then it rained cats and dogs while I was loading the luggage into the car. I got very wet. At least I already am sick, so I can't get any worse. And then we came back to the castle. Vanessa met us at the castle. She brought us some lovely dinner. And then we went off to the Jolly. So we've been to the Jolly and I've had my Copperberg. Hopefully I can have another one tomorrow. And I've realised that I've left my Kleenex downstairs. So I'm gonna go get those because they're downstairs. I am gonna take off my backpack though, because I'm not prepared to do the stairs again with them on. So that's the end of that. So I'm off to get that edit. We flew the drone off the roof and got some neat footage of the village and of Vanessa and I waving to the drone. And I'm going to end this before I sneeze again. So video, oh, we flew the drone off the roof as well. Oh, excuse me, so more sneeze. And I'm going to